Morning, Mesa Verde science students. Today, we've got a couple videos for you to watch. We're kind of focusing in on gravity today. Today's big concept is gravity. And we'll first watch this Crash Course Kids Gravity compilation. It's about 15 minutes long. There's 4 sections. In each one of the sections, there's a big question. And so you're going to be writing down that big question and answering. And then they're pretty easy, but pretty interesting stuff. And then within those videos, they have a lot of facts. So I just want you guys to write down 10 facts related to gravity and air resistance. We're kind of focusing on those two things, okay? And then the second video that we have is this Red Bull Stratus. And just to give you an overview, this was 2012 when this guy Felix Baumgarten, I think his name is, got Red Bull and GoPro to sponsor him to try to break the high altitude skydiving record. So he went up in a balloon. So again, think about buoyant force and why the balloon's going up and how high it can possibly go. There's a limit because again, as you go higher in the atmosphere, there's less air and less air and less air. And so there's less chance for that buoyant force to be lifting you up. And then as he jumped out of this plane, then I really want you to think about how air resistance and gravity worked on him at different stages of his free fall. So there's points in the free fall where he accelerated, there's points where he decelerated, and there's time when he moved at a constant speed. So on page 53, what you're going to be doing is just drawing it, like on the top half of the page, draw a graph, just a big L. The x-axis is going to be time, and then the y-axis is going to be speed. So this graph is showing acceleration, how he accelerated. So if he's accelerating up, you're going to be drawing his speed is going to be going up. If he's moving at constant rate, the speed is going to be a straight line across. And if he's decelerating, he's going to come down. So you want to talk about that. So when he jumps, his speed is at 0. And then when he hits the ground, his speed is at 0. So the graph should end up back touching the bottom axis, because again, that's the number there, okay? And then just do a little sketch at the bottom. So top half is going to be the graph, and then the bottom half is just going to be a sketch of him. And you can maybe do like arrows showing the forces and stuff like that. So 2 really good videos. I watched them this morning, and I think you'll enjoy it. Again, this is completely optional, but just trying to keep you guys growing your minds, keep those minds growing, keep those synapses connecting. And again, our focus for today, let me put this in here, is big idea. Big idea is gravity today. Okay, so I'm going to kind of focus on that a little bit. In the Crash Course Kids, they do have some sample activities. I'm going to be demonstrating some of those tomorrow. And so we can kind of look at those, and you guys can kind of see the results of some of those activities tomorrow. Okay? All right. Hope you guys are staying busy. Again, use this time to improve yourself. Okay? And want to let you guys know that just a great time waster is Nitro type. And then Google Earth is a great time waster as well. So get on there, learn some geography. If you're reading a book, make sure you look up where it's happening, those kinds of things. So, all right, we'll talk to you later, and have a good day. Bye-bye.